Alright, today we're going to go over how to get a headphone jack that broke off in the socket out. People try super glue, they try tweezers. The best way to do it is, first of all, you need to make sure there's some metal showing on the headphone jack itself that's broken off. If not, you can use a mini Dremel and just grind a little bit till you get some metal in the jack. Okay. The next step is to get some cheap desoldering braid. This is from Radio Shack, and the cheap stuff can easily be wound tight. You can also just use copper wire, anything that will easily fit in here. I find the braid most useful because the solder flows in it nicely. But so the gist of this is we're going to solder a wire to the headphone jack and pull it out. Okay. Now this is solder flux, and it's going to help the solder spread and stick to where it's supposed to. So we're going to get a lot of solder on the end of the braid. I actually want some like sticking off of the end, so all right, now I'm going to dip the braid in the flux so we can get some flux on the metal in the headphone jack. I'm going to try and melt the solder and have it stick to the headphone jack. And there we go.